So what happens when you're working but you're being paid in cash? How does it affect your tax return? I'm Sam Keats from Keats Accounting, and this week's tax tip is all about being paid in cash. When it comes to doing your tax return, you're actually required to disclose all income that you've received in that relevant income year, regardless of how it's received. So that means that if you have received a cash payment from an employer, or let's say, for example, that you're receiving tips or something like that, you are actually required to include that income in your tax return and remit any relevant tax on it. So it really doesn't matter how you get paid, you do need to pay tax on that income and disclose it. Now, in terms of when the income goes in your tax return, it goes in when you receive it. So if you did some work in June but you didn't get paid until July, it won't go in the tax return any year ending June, it will go into the following one. So if you are receiving payments in cash, just make sure that you keep an entry, so a spreadsheet or a note in a diary or something, so that tax time at the end of the year, we know exactly how much we need to include, and just include it on the list of information that you're sending in to us. Make sure that you just say that it's additional payments received in cash, and we'll pick that up in your tax return. Thanks for watching. See you next week.